Hello everyone, here you are watching Dr. Bin Kumar, and today I am going to celebrate my 100 video lectures on YouTube. And today is my achievement that I have uploaded here 100 videos that is related to the agriculture. So in the next I am going to explain you what type of the videos actually I have uploaded here. So you can see related to the ARS stopper, I have uploaded 9 videos, and that they are giving their guidance regarding the ARS, and 4 videos I have uploaded related to the ICR GRF, and 9 videos I have related to the agriculture technology, and 7 videos related to the motivation, and 10 videos related to the ICR GRF, net ARS, how you can prepare, what is the tips, how you can get good marks, what is the pattern, like that I have uploaded 10 videos, and 5 videos I have uploaded related to the wheat, and then 5 video I have uploaded related to the cereal crops like rice and other, and 11 videos I have uploaded related to the general agriculture in the agronomy, and 1 video I have uploaded related to the history of agriculture, and 11 videos I have uploaded related to the soil science, and here other is the 4 videos in weed science, 5 videos in water and irrigation, 3 videos in farming system, and 6 video in agriculture, and 2 videos related to the PowerPoint presentation, how you can make effective PowerPoint presentation like animation, and 2 videos related to the agricultural statistics. So if you see the progress that I have made since my inception or initial period, you can see in the first year when I started, I got only 33 view in the whole year. So that was very frustrating, and only 74 minute watch total duration I got. In the second year, little bit I got modification, improvement, like up to this, and that was only 594 views, and that was the 1204 minute watch. But last year you can see I got a very good numbers, 1,31,204 I got views, and this is the 3,05,000 minute total watch. So this was really a sum of what you can say I got confident that I got some success. And if you see that demographically which type of the student they are really watching me, 18 to 24 years student means BSc graduate are watching me maximum, then MSc and PhD 25 to 34 years, and then followed by 35 year to 44 years people. And if actually see the live how much I am service giving in the last 48 hours, you can see 3,500 view I got, means 1,200 view means I am 1,800 views I am getting per day near about. And you can see in the 1 hour I am giving the service of near about 60 to 70 people in 1 hour. So this is my live, and just I have given the before making the my PPT. This is the graph just before making my PPT, means this is a recent. And if you see the from how many countries I have been watched, so near about 80 countries they are watching me, and these are the most important countries like India, USA, Nepal, Pakistan, and United Kingdom. So these are some of the major countries, that's why I have here listed. So these all are about my achievement and what were the reason behind this celebration. So this is because of your interest and your cooperation. So if you are really interested in the future too to enjoy like this, so you can definitely go and subscribe here, so that's you will get the notification whenever I will upload the video. So please don't forget to make on this notification button, because you will be notified whenever I will upload any new video when you will put on this button. And I am writing many times many news or some facts about the agriculture on my Facebook page as well as on my Twitter. So please go and follow me on there also. And one request I wanted to make you guys, your like is very important. Please don't forget to like, because of your like only my video will got dispersed or spread in the audience. So because many needy people in our community, they are really needy of like that video. So don't forget to like and comment also, because your comment is very valuable input for me to do the improvement in my future videos. And don't forget to share, because how much time I'm devoted and given for making one video, your small share can make a more effect on the others, your needy friend. So don't forget to share it also. So these were all about that, and thank you for watching me. Bye bye.